Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color SpongeBob and Patrick Star playing in the sand. Let's start drawing. Firstly, I start Patrick Star. I draw his eyes and his smiling mouth. Then I draw his head and eyebrows. In his arms, he is very relaxed. He lies on the ground. What is this on his belly? Oh yes, it's sand. Finally, I draw his feet. Now let's draw SpongeBob. I start with his nose, the eyes, and his smiling mouth with 2 teeth. I draw his head, then I draw his arms like this. I finally draw his swim shorts and legs. In his hands, he holds a bucket and pours sand onto Patrick. Some holes on the SpongeBob. Amazing! Now I am going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible and lovely. Let's start coloring. First, I color Patrick Star. I color his skin with cream. And same color for its feet. Black for eyebrows. Then I color SpongeBob. I use blue for his eyes. I use yellow for his skin. I color the holes with this marker. For the swimsuit, I use blue and mint. I colored the bucket with red and orange. Then I color the sand with this dark brown. At the end, I am going to color its arms. Fantastic and amazing! If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.